Hello and welcome back. Welcome to Practice English Daily.
Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here today. I'm Eric.
And I'm Jessica. Eric, today we are talking about something very important. Something we do every single day.
That's right, Jessica. Today, we are going to talk about food.
Food is a great topic because you need to talk about food in English all the time. When you are traveling, when you are meeting friends, or when you are just hungry.
We will learn simple words and simple sentences about eating. We will talk about breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Remember, this channel is for you. We speak slowly and clearly. We repeat the words many times. You can listen, you can repeat, and you can practice.
First, a very quick note. If you like learning with us, please click the like button. And please subscribe to Practice English Daily. It helps other students find our lessons.
Thank you. Okay, Eric, let's start practicing. Let's talk about food.
Let's go.
We start our day in the morning. The first meal is breakfast.
Yes, breakfast is the meal in the morning. Say the word with me. Breakfast. Good job.
We use two main verbs when we talk about breakfast. We use the verb eat and the verb drink.
Let's start with eat. Jessica, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat fruit. Sometimes an apple, sometimes a banana. My breakfast is usually quick.
Great example. Notice the sentence, I eat fruit. I eat fruit. Now let's try it with a different word. Listen and repeat. I eat toast.
You are doing great. Now, Eric, what do you eat for breakfast?
I don't eat a big breakfast. I usually eat cereal. Cereal is fast.
Okay, let's try to repeat Eric's sentence. I eat cereal.
Excellent. We use the verb eat for solid food.
Now, let's talk about the verb drink. We use drink for liquids.
Jessica, what do you drink in the morning?
I always drink water, and I always drink 1 cup of coffee.
Ah, coffee. That's a very popular morning drink. Say the word coffee. Let's practice the sentence. Listen carefully and repeat. I drink coffee.
Very good. Now, Eric, do you drink coffee?
No, I do not drink coffee. I drink tea. I drink hot tea every morning.
Let's try that sentence, students. I drink tea.
Now, let's practice a full dialogue. Listen to Jessica and me. We will speak slowly. Jessica, what time do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock.
What do you eat?
I eat a banana and I drink water.
And do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee.
Perfect. Now, listen again. This time, focus on the words eat and drink. Jessica, what time do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock.
What do you eat?
I eat a banana and I drink water.
And do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee. Good job, students. Remember the words breakfast, eat, drink, coffee, tea.
You are improving already. Let's move to the next part of the day, lunch. After the morning, we have the afternoon. In the afternoon, we eat lunch.
Lunch is the second main meal of the day. Say it with me. Lunch.
When we talk about meals, we can use the verb eat, or we can use the verb have. Both are correct.
Listen to the examples. I eat lunch or I have lunch.
Jessica, where do you have lunch?
I usually have lunch at my office. I have lunch at 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
What do you usually have?
I often have a sandwich or sometimes a salad.
Let's learn the word sandwich. Slowly.
sand, witch. Now repeat the sentence. I have a sandwich for lunch.
Now, let's talk about another useful verb, make. If you prepare the food yourself, you make it.
I usually make my lunch at home. I make a big salad.
Say that sentence. I make a big salad. That sounds healthy, Eric.
It is. Now, after lunch, sometimes we get hungry again. We want a snack.
A snack is a small amount of food between meals. Maybe fruits, maybe some nuts, maybe a cookie.
Say the word snack.
Snack.
I have a snack in the afternoon.
Yes, I often have a snack around 4 o'clock. I have a piece of fruit. I always have fruit as a snack.
Try repeating Jessica's sentence. I have a snack in the afternoon.
I have a snack in the afternoon. Very clear speaking. Now, let's practice a dialogue about lunch and snacks. Listen carefully the first time. Eric, do you make your lunch?
Yes, I always make my lunch. I make soup.
Do you have a big lunch?
No, I have a small lunch, but I always have a snack later.
What snack do you have?
I have an apple.
Good. Now let's listen again. Try to repeat the sentences in your head as we speak. Focus on make, have, lunch, snack. Eric, do you make your lunch?
Yes, I always make my lunch. I make soup.
Do you have a big lunch?
No, I have a small lunch, but I always have a snack later.
What snack do you have?
I have an apple.
Fantastic listening practice, everyone. You are remembering the words for the middle of the day, lunch and snack. Keep practicing those verbs, eat, drink, make, have. Now we are in the evening. The last main meal is dinner.
Dinner is the big meal at the end of the day. Say the word dinner.
We usually have dinner at 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock in the evening.
For dinner, we often use the verb cook. You cook dinner.
Listen to the sentence. I cook dinner every evening. Do you cook dinner every day, Jessica?
No, not every day. Sometimes I cook and sometimes my husband cooks. We like to cook pasta or rice.
That sounds good. Now, let's talk about a new phrase. Favorite food.
Favorite food means the food you love the most, the food you want to eat all the time.
What is your favorite food, Jessica?
My favorite food is pizza. I love to eat pizza for dinner.
Let's practice that new phrase. Repeat after me. My favorite food is pizza. Nice pronunciation. My favorite food is fish and vegetables. I like to cook fish on Friday evenings.
Try repeating Eric's sentence. I cook fish on Friday.
When we cook for other people, we say, I make dinner for my family.
That's a great, useful sentence. Listen and repeat. I make dinner for my family.
You're speaking so clearly. Let's do one more dialogue practice about dinner and cooking. Remember the verbs cook and make. What time do you have dinner, Jessica?
We have dinner late, around 8 o'clock in the evening.
Who cooks dinner?
My husband cooks most of the time. He is a good cook.
What is your favorite thing he makes?
He makes great soup. I love his soup.
Excellent. Let's listen one last time. Concentrate on the words dinner, cook, make, favorite. What time do you have dinner, Jessica?
We have dinner late, around 8 o'clock in the evening.
Who cooks dinner?
My husband cooks most of the time. He is a good cook.
What is your favorite thing he makes?
He makes great soup. I love his soup.
Wonderful job, students. You practiced all 3 meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And you practiced 4 key verbs, eat, drink, have, and cook. Wow, Jessica, we talked about so much food today.
We did. Let's quickly recap the main words for our students.
Okay, repeat these key words one more time. Breakfast, the morning meal. Lunch, the midday meal. Dinner, the evening meal. Snack, small food between meals.
And the verbs we learned. Eat, for solid food. Drink, for liquids. Cook, to prepare the food. Make, to prepare the food, often used like cook.
And remember the important phrase, my favorite food is.
You did fantastic work today. Learning to talk about food is a big step in English. Give yourself a pat on the back. You are improving every day.
We hope this lesson helps you talk about your food and your daily routine.
Now we have a community question for you. We love reading your answers.
Tell us about your routine. Our question today is simple. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Maybe you eat toast, maybe you drink tea. Write your answer in the comments below. Use the phrases we practiced today.
We read every comment and we cheer you on. Keep practicing with Practice English Daily.
Thank you so much for joining us. We will talk to you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep practicing and have a great day.